Hi friends, do you know what is the biggest lie that is actually stopping us in getting what we want in life? There are many such lies that we are holding to it for a long time. One lie that is stopping most of the people is no pain, no gain. Yeah, we have told this many times in our life that to want something you need to undergo a lot of struggles. So that's what they say, it's no pain, no gain. But is it true? Maybe the people who are watching this video, many people still believe this, no pain, no gain. And you may be trying to achieve something, or you may be trying to get something in your life, and you might be taking some actions as well, but you will not be getting that desired result. I think one of the problem might be because of the belief that you are holding, that is no pain, no gain. What is the problem with this belief, with this statement? See, naturally our brain and body does not want us to undergo any pain. Its natural responsibility is to protect us. So when you try to undergo some pain, your body will resist, your brain will resist. They will try to distract you, because when you're trying to because when you for example, you want to reduce your weight and you think that okay, exercise is the best option, I will start doing my exercise. So right from day 1, day 2, you do like, okay, you believe, okay, no pain, no gain, so I have to do 2 hours of exercise. First day you will do, second day you will do, third day you will have a lot of distraction. Your brain and body is trying to protect you. It's saying, no, don't do this. Because its primary duty is to protect you. So eventually you will get distracted. We might end up giving up that particular goal or something like that. We are getting distracted. We are not focusing on the particular task because of this belief. And moreover, there are so many people who have talked about this. They are saying that if you want to succeed in your life, don't believe that you have to undergo a lot of struggles, because in some cases we ourselves believe that I have not undergone, maybe unconsciously you will think, I have not undergone enough struggles, that's why I am not getting it. So we are forcing ourselves for the struggle to get something what we want in life. Okay, some people might agree with this, some may not. What is the alternate thing? To me, we have to start believing that it's no happiness, no gain. Happiness is our natural state of being. When you are totally unhappy in life, at the time your only thing that you want will be your happiness. And when you have happiness in your life, when you are totally happy in your life, then you can think, then you will want what you want in life. So instead of focusing on something for the happiness, what I am suggesting is we can have a better focus when we are already happy. I'm not saying that we have to be happy all the time. We cannot be happy 24/7. Of course, we are all human beings. We will have different emotions in different situations of our life. What I am suggesting is we have to understand that happiness is our natural state, and we have to come back to that natural state as quickly as possible when we are out of different emotion. So we have to replace our belief of no pain, no gain to no happiness, no gain. Thank you for watching this video.